An agricultural research organization tested a particular chemical fertilizer to try to find out whether an increase in the amount of fertilizer used will lead to a corresponding increase in the food supply using a significance level of 0.05.
The data below is the amount of fertilizer in pounds represented by X and the amount of bushels of beans represented by Y. N equals 7 being the sample size for the data presented. In the chart below, as you can see, X and Y are listed in a row. In order to get XY, you multiply 5 times 5. To get X squared, you multiply 5 by itself, and to get Y squared, you multiply 5 by itself and repeat the process for the rest of the values.
The following are the results from the previous chart, where the total amount of X equals 20, the total amount of Y equals 30, the total amount of XY equals 93, the total amount of X squared equals 68, the total amount of Y squared equals 136. The formula below will be used to find the correlation of R.
Here you can see the following step is going to be to fill in the formula with the corresponding data in order to get R, which in this case is going to be 0.11.
You can also solve this problem by using the calculator. Press Stat, go to Edit, list all your values, then go to Test, and choose Linear Regression t-test. Then calculate. As you can see, you will get your p-value, t-values, and your r-value, which is 0.811, just like in the formula.
As you can see, the p-value is 0.0268 and our level of significance is 0.05. The null hypothesis is p equal to 0 and the alternate hypothesis is p not equal to 0. Since the p-value is less than the significance level, we came to a conclusion that we reject the null hypothesis. There is sufficient evidence to conclude that there is an increase in the food supply when the fertilizer is increased.